Here I have FAIRPHONE 3, and today I'm going to show you how to enter a recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release all the keys. When you see this Android robot just laying down, hold down power key and press volume up once, and you end up in the recovery mode. Here in the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply updates from ADB, apply updates from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. If you want to quit this mode, just select first option, reboot system now, and restart your device, or the last option and power off and just turn it off. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.